Have you ever wanted to create your own custom stickers? Well, this 8.5 by 11 project sticker paper will make it so easy. It comes with 10 sheets of matte white sticker paper. It's compatible with your metal dies, inkjet printers, and electronic die cutting machines. Using your electronic cutting machine and following the manufacturer's instructions, you can use our sticker project paper to create your own custom beautiful stickers with graphics that you have. I printed my designs that I wanted to make my own stickers onto the sticker project paper, and then I have loaded it onto my Cricut mat so that I can put it through and cut. So make sure that you have your setting on sticker paper so that it does not cut all the way through and your machine knows the depth of how far to cut through to create your stickers. And here I have laid out my graphics that I've printed out already on my printer and put onto my Cricut mat, and I'm going to put it through the machine. So once you pull your mat off, you just peel off your sticker project paper. One of the great things I love about this sticker project paper is the weight. The stickers end up cutting perfectly, and the weight of these stickers is fabulous. I'm going to show you some other stickers that I've made. I made these cute, darling little plants stickers, and as you can see, the stickers just cut perfectly. Really, the possibilities are endless with this sticker project paper. I mean, you can go to town and make so many different designs of stickers and graphics. Look at how cute this penguin is. Oh, look at that perfect sticker. And again, the weight of this paper is fabulous and the adhesive is great. It's gonna stick down and not ever come up. So you can use these to stick on hydro flasks, on your mugs, on your phones, on your laptops, on your notebooks, scrapbook pages, planners, you name it, you can use these stickers. They are not going anywhere once you stick them down. So now I'm going to use the sticker project paper with one of our heart dies, and I'm just taping it down with our mint tape onto the sticker project paper. I cut a piece. I'm going to run it through the Sizzix die cutting machine. So here you can see I created a sticker using the sticker project paper and one of our dies, and you simply just cut it out with your die cutting machine, and then you're gonna peel off. You can use your blending tools and inks to create and stencils to create an image on this white sticker paper. It takes to ink very nicely. And so here I have my sticker I created with a die. Now I'm taking some of our alpha dies and I'm gonna create some alphabet stickers. I laid them out onto the sticker project paper with our mint tape, and I'm gonna run it through my die cutting machine. I can use my inks to create a blended pattern on here or stamps to create a background pattern. Whatever you want to do, the possibilities are endless, but here I've created some letter stickers. This affordable, high quality, heavyweight sticker project paper is only available at Scrapbook.com. Get yours today so that you can start creating your own custom stickers. For a link to the sticker paper, just click on the description below.